Guys, I am so excited because I brought Needles and Squishies and I'm going to be doing a haul. So make sure to watch to the end to see my secret rare Squishy. Okay guys, so it's time to show you all the Squishies I have. So first we're gonna go in with this purple like swirl squishy. Yep, purple swirl squishy. So let's open it. So this is how it looks like when it's out of the box. Okay, this is actually, but it's really hard. I don't know how I feel about this. I don't like hard squishies. Like, I think you need to play with hard squishies when you're like really mad. Like you have to be like, I'm so mad. But I like it because the color, it looks really nice. It looks so cool. I love how it looks. So I'm gonna rate it like a 7 out of 10. So on to the next squishy. We got this needle ice cube. So let's open it. Yep, very not nicely. So this is how it looks like when it's out of the box and squishing it. Okay, this is way more better. I love it because it's not as hard as this one. This one's like super hard and this one's not hard. So I love how it feels. It feels so nice. I'm gonna rate this one a 8 out of 10. We are going with another Nita ice cube, which is a purple one, which is my favorite color if you don't know. So let's see if the purple one is harder than the real ones. Take this out. There you go. This is the purple one. Cute. Now we're squishing it. Oh, this actually feels way more harder than this one. This one feels harder than this one, which is very weird because they're from the same brand. On to the next one, which is another needled ice cube, which is a pink one this time. Now we're opening this pink one. Not nicely too. All right, now we got this pink one. This is how it looks like when it's out of the box. Very cute. So now we're squishing it. Ooh, this is harder than the purple one and the blue one. I don't know how I feel about this one. The purple and the pink one, the purple, I'm gonna rate you a 6. Pink, I'm gonna rate you a 5 out of 10. Okay, on to the next one. We have this cheese squishy. So let's fill it. Ooh, wait. This feels so good, guys. Look at that. It feels so cool. I love this squishy. I feel like this is my favorite squishy. It's so nice to just squish around and just keep squishing and squishing. So I'm gonna rate this one a 8 out of 10 too. On to the next squishy. I have so many squishies, I'm so excited. Now we have this ice cream, this needle ice cream. And we're opening it now. Ooh, I don't know how I feel about this one. This is like a Taba squishy. And the bottom is like hard, the top is like Taba squishy. So I don't know how I feel about it because it feels like I have to do it like this, hold it like this, upside down. I have to hold it upside down like this, which I don't know how I feel about that because I want everything to be squishy so I can just keep squishing, squishing, and squishing, which is not how I would want. Needle Company, what are you doing with your squishies? Why is this? Might as well get a fake one. That one, this ice cream, I'm gonna rate the ice cream a 7 out of 10. Actually, a 5 out of 10. It's not really that good. So on to the next one. We have a ice cream, Neato ice cream. Oh, no, not ice cream. Popsicle, Neato. Now we're gonna open it. The red, it's I think pink and orange. So we're squishing it. Ooh, this feels really good. I actually like this. I'm gonna eat it. Never mind, guys, do not eat squishies. It feels so nice, guys. I love this so much. I'm gonna rate this ice cream a 7 because the bottom is also hard. If the bottom was squishy too, I would love this one. Needle Company, make your squishies bottoms squishy too. On to the next squishy. Okay, now the next squishy is a pizza squishy. I think this might be Taba squishy type. See? So it's a Taba squishy, yes. I love Taba squishies actually. I just hate the fact that they're very sticky and when you like if you accidentally drop them on the floor, it picks up a whole bunch of dust. So I love this one. So I'm gonna rate it like, it's because it's not that sticky. So I'm gonna rate this one a 7 out of 10 too. Everything's just being a 7 out of 10. All right, next squishy is this Neato gumdrop squishy. It's an orange one. Taking the orange one out of the bag. This is how it looks like out of the bag. Now we're squishing it. Ooh. Oh, really hard. This is like if you're like very stressed and you're like super duper stressed and you have nothing. Like if you're grounded, you're like, oh, I can't even squeeze it. Okay, yeah, I don't know how I feel about this. I don't like very hard squishies. So I'm gonna rate this squishy a 4. I don't really like this one, it's very hard. Next one, we got this Neato Cool Cat. Now we got this Neato cat out of its box. Now we're gonna squish it. Whoa! Look at that, guys. I love this. This might be my favorite squishy. It feels so cool. Whoa, it's like the cheese squishy, but it's more softer. I love it so much, guys. Okay, guys, I rate this a 10 out of 10. Our first 10 in this squishy haul. Next one is this humongous Neato, what is this? Nice cube. That is humongous, guys. So we're gonna also use a knife because I have my mom's permission. So we're gonna cut this up because it is very hard to take out, guys. Boom. All right, finally. Now it's in a whole box thing. So now we're gonna take it out of its box thing. Finally. Okay, whoa, ow. Okay, my hands hurt just by squishing it one time, but this actually it looks so cool. It smells so gross. I like how it looks, not how it feels. So this is gonna be a straight out solid 0. I do not like that one. On to the next one. We got a jellyfish, Neato jellyfish. Opening it up. Ow, 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 my head. Ow, my nails. Why is your stuff so hard to open? All right, nice. Now let's get our jellyfish out of here. Oh, it's in a whole box thing too. So we're taking it out. Ooh, look, it's purple. It's not like sticky. It's not like it's not sticky at all. Oh, this is really hard though. And the tentacles aren't sticking to each other. You see that? It's like not sticking. And also you can stretch these so far away, guys. That's so cool. I don't like how the top part is very hard to squish. So we're gonna rate this a solid 0 too. Sorry. Now onto another one, a pink jellyfish. Hopefully this one feels better. Okay, this one was way easier to open. A pink jellyfish, Neato. Okay, this tentacles are sticking to each other. And this one is so much softer, guys. I love the pink one. The pink one might be my favorite. Actually, the cat one is still my favorite, but so I don't know. I'm just gonna rate this one a solid 6. Yeah. Now we're going to another jellyfish, a blue one. Opening it now. Come out. Ooh, a blue one. Ooh, this one feels like the pink one. Why is the purple one so hard? The purple one is so hard. I don't know why, but I love this one too. The tentacles are not sticking to each other like the pink one. So I love it. And I'm gonna rate this one because it's like soft too, just like the pink one. So I'm gonna rate this one a 6. Now, next one, we got finally a different one. A Dream Drop, Neato Dream Drop. Why is there so many needles in here? So now we're opening it. A purple one too. All right, the purple one right here. Oh, purple. Squishing it now. Wow, it actually feels pretty good, but it's really hard too. So I'm gonna rate this one a 6. Get out! Next one. Ooh, this one might feel good. We got a cake, squishy Neato cake. Now let's open this one. All right, opening it up. Ooh, wait, this one actually feels pretty good, guys. Ooh, I love this one. This one's probably my second favorite. This one's gonna be a 9 out of 10. Our first 9 out of 10 here. All right, guys, now it's time to go to dumplings. dumpling time. So we got this one. We got unopened dumplings. So we're gonna open them now. So let's open it up. Finally, okay, let's see what dumpling we get. Oh, it's the green one. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Look inside. It's like a clear thing. Huh? Wait. What? It's broken. Do you guys see that? I don't know if you guys can see it, but like, look at that. It's broken. Green one got scammed. Broken. That one is definitely a 0. 0 out of 10. Next one. Another dumpling. Got another dumpling. So let's open it, and this time do not do the same mistake of not looking. Let's see what we get. Another green one? What is this? I keep getting green. A duplicate. Wait, is this broken too? No way. Okay, good. This one's not broken. At least we have a green one that's not broken. I love how it feels, but it's green, so I'm gonna rate it a 2. Actually, a 3. First 3 out of 10. Next dumpling we have. Let's open it up. Please be not a green one. Purple, my favorite. If this pops, please don't pop. Good. Purple one. We got a purple dumpling. Look at this cute little face. Cute little facey. And it's like the green one. Whoa, look at that, guys. That looks so cool. I love purple. Purple's my favorite color, if you guys don't know. Whoa, look at that. It's almost as big as my head. I love how this feels. I'm so happy, guys. I love it. Okay, guys. My brother was washing the golden dumpling because it was dirty, and the eye kind of just came off. So, yeah, you can just see that the eye just scratched. So, yeah, the dumpling is, we got a golden dumpling here, which is a real one. Let's go. Got a golden dumpling. Look at that, guys. I love this one too. It looks so cool. Like, look at the glitter in it when you squeeze it. It looks so cool. I love this, so I'm gonna rate it a 10 out of 10. I don't know if it matters that it's broken. It's a little bit, but still, I'm still pretty sad. Next one, we got a golden ticket dumpling. Hopefully we get the golden dumpling, because then we'll be the winner for $1,000 to spend at 5 below? Yep, 5 below. So we can buy more squishies. So let's hope we got the golden dumpling. I'm hoping that we get it. So I'm gonna close my eyes. Let's just hope we get the golden dumpling. I don't know, but we're gonna hope. I think it's gonna go. Let's see. It's a blue dumpling. It's cute though. I like it. Well, we didn't get the golden dumpling, but look at that. Look how cool it looks inside. I don't really care because we already have a golden dumpling already, which is real, so I don't care. But look, we got a blue one. And that is all the squishies we have, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share to all your friends and family. And yeah, that's the end of my video, guys. Bye. Peace.